the time is now. If you're a gardener in the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, and you're not planting these vegetables this November, you're making a mistake that you'll regret next season. These crops are the secret to getting ahead and ensuring your garden is not only thriving, but bursting with life when others are still scrambling to catch up. Trust me, you'll want to know what these 18 must-plant vegetables are, and the best one is number 17. Welcome to Gardening Times, the channel where seasoned gardeners like you take your craft to the next level. In this video, we're diving into the top 18 vegetables you should plant this November if you want to get ahead of the game. And don't worry, we're not just talking about any vegetables, these are the ones that will give you a head start, outpacing all the gardeners who are waiting until spring. But here's the catch, you have to act fast. November is your window and the clock is ticking. I want you to imagine your garden next spring, lush and bountiful, while others are just starting their seeds. The difference? These 18 vegetables. You'll see harvests that others can only dream of. But the best part? The most incredible one is number 17. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for that one because it's the game changer. And here's the kicker. You cannot afford to miss out on this November planting window. The sooner you get started, the sooner you'll reap the rewards. Before we dive into these 18 must-plant vegetables, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite vegetable to grow in the fall? Let's get a conversation going, because these vegetables might just change the way you approach gardening. But be warned, once you plant these, you won't ever look back. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Garlic. This is the foundation of any successful fall garden, and for good reason. Garlic is incredibly easy to grow, yet its rewards are unmatched. If you're planting now, you're setting yourself up for a robust harvest come summer. What makes garlic so special is that it thrives in the cooler temperatures of late fall and early winter, developing strong roots and flavor during the dormant months. By planting in November, you'll give your garlic the best possible start to grow big, flavorful bulbs that will make every dish pop with freshness. The key to garlic success lies in its patience. It requires minimal care during the cold months, but when summer rolls around, you'll be reaping the benefits of your fall planting. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, garlic is a crop you cannot skip this November. It's not just a must-plant, it's an absolute game changer that guarantees a powerful addition to your garden. Number 2. Shallots. These small but mighty alliums are a gardener's best-kept secret. If you've never planted shallots in November, now's the time to start. Shallots are incredibly hardy and thrive in the cooler soil temperatures, making them perfect for fall planting. They're known for their mild, sweet flavor, which is why they're a staple in so many kitchens. By planting them now, you're giving them the winter chill they need to develop a full, rich flavor that will be ready for harvest come early summer. Not only are shallots delicious, but they're also easy to grow and require very little maintenance. Just plant the cloves in well-drained soil and let nature do the work over the winter. When spring arrives, your shallots will be ready to grow, and you'll be glad you planted them in November. Trust me, shallots are one of those vegetables that you'll wish you planted every year after experiencing their incredible flavor and versatility. Number 3. Onions, sets. Onions are a must-have in any garden, and planting them now ensures you'll have a harvest early next summer. Onions require a longer growing season, and by planting them in November, you're giving them the time they need to establish strong roots before the harsh winter sets in. Come spring, these sets will start to grow rapidly, producing sweet, juicy onions that will elevate any dish. Whether you prefer them in salads, soups, or sandwiches, these onions will be the perfect addition to your harvest. Planting onion sets now also means you can avoid the rush of spring planting, giving you more time for other crops. The cold weather doesn't faze them, they'll continue to develop below the surface, silently preparing for an early spring growth spurt. By the time the weather warms, your onions will already be well on their way to full maturity. Don't miss out on this fall planting opportunity. Get your onion sets in the ground now and enjoy the fruits of your labor in the summer. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the hardiest leafy greens you can plant in November, and it thrives in the cold. By planting it in the fall, you're setting yourself up for an early harvest of fresh, nutrient-packed leaves. Spinach loves the cooler temperatures, and it actually becomes sweeter and more flavorful when grown in fall and early winter. The beauty of spinach is that it grows quickly, so you can expect to start harvesting tender, dark green leaves even before the weather truly warms up. If you've never planted spinach in the fall, you're missing out. It's perfect for early salads or sautéing, and it's a fantastic addition to your garden because it requires minimal care. Simply plant your spinach in rich, well-draining soil, and it will grow steadily through the colder months, ready for harvest as soon as the days get longer. Get spinach in the ground this November and enjoy one of the first fresh greens of the new gardening season. Number 5. Kale. Kale is another cold weather superstar, and it truly shines when planted in November. This leafy green thrives in the cool temperatures of fall and early winter, developing dense, flavorful leaves that are packed with nutrients. Kale is incredibly hardy, surviving frosts with ease and becoming even sweeter after a light frost. By planting kale now, you're ensuring a healthy crop that will continue to grow throughout the winter, providing you with fresh greens all season long. The versatility of kale is unmatched. It can be eaten fresh in salads, sautéed, or even used in soups and smoothies. The best part? It will be ready for harvest just when you need it most during the colder months, when fresh greens can be hard to come by. Don't wait until spring. Plant your kale this November and enjoy a continuous supply of delicious winter-hardy greens. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a fall gardener's dream, especially if you plant it now. This cool season crop thrives in the crisp temperatures of late fall, and by planting it in November, you're giving it the time it needs to grow strong roots before winter's chill. The cold actually helps broccoli develop a rich, flavorful taste that's hard to beat. When spring arrives, your broccoli will be ready to shoot up quickly, producing tight, green heads that are perfect for steaming, roasting, or adding to your favorite dishes. Broccoli is a relatively low-maintenance crop, but it benefits from the extended growing season that comes with fall planting. It does best in fertile, well-drained soil, so make sure to prepare your bed properly. By planting in November, you'll set yourself up for an early harvest in spring, getting a jump on the growing season while other gardeners are just starting to think about their crops. Plant it now, and your summer meals will thank you. Number 7. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts take a bit of patience, but when you plant them in November, you're ensuring the best possible harvest. These veggies need a long growing season, and fall is the perfect time to start them. The cold weather will actually improve their flavor, making them sweeter and more tender when harvested after a light frost. By planting in November, you'll allow the sprouts to develop properly over the winter, ensuring a robust crop come spring. When they finally mature, you'll have a bounty of these mini cabbages to enjoy in your kitchen. Brussels sprouts are perfect for roasting, steaming, or even adding to soups. If you've never planted them before, don't let the longer growing season scare you. The payoff is worth it, and planting them now will give you the best chance for success. Get them in the ground this November, and you'll be rewarded with a crop that will have you looking forward to the harvest in spring. Number 8. Carrots. Carrots are a fall favorite for good reason. They're easy to grow, and the cold weather actually helps them develop their full, sweet flavor. Planting carrots in November gives them a head start, allowing them to establish strong roots that will develop into tender, flavorful roots come spring. The key is planting them in loose, well-drained soil that allows their long taproots to grow freely. As the cold weather settles in, the carrots will continue to develop, withstanding frosts and cold snaps that would harm other crops. By planting carrots now, you'll ensure that you're one of the first to harvest in spring, giving you a head start when others are still waiting for their crops to mature. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enjoy some of the sweetest, most delicious carrots you've ever grown. Get them in the ground this November and enjoy the fruits of your labor early next year. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is another cool weather crop that thrives when planted in November. These hardy vegetables need a long growing season, and by planting them in the fall, you're giving them the time they need to grow into dense, nutritious heads. The cold weather actually helps cabbage develop a more robust flavor, and it will survive even the harshest of frosts. By planting in November, you're setting yourself up for a solid harvest that will be ready for early spring cooking. Cabbage is an incredibly versatile vegetable. Use it in salads, soups, stews, or simply sauté it as a side dish. With minimal maintenance, this crop will grow steadily through the winter, ensuring you have a fresh, homegrown supply of cabbage ready to harvest early next year. Don't wait for spring to plant it. Get your cabbage in the ground now and let the cold weather work its magic. Number 10. Turnips. Turnips are a fantastic root vegetable to plant in November as they thrive in cool temperatures. Planting them in the fall ensures that they'll have the time they need to grow and develop their full flavor. Turnips are relatively quick to mature, and they're incredibly resilient in the cold, making them perfect for fall and winter gardening. By planting them now, you'll be rewarded with tender, flavorful roots that are perfect for roasting, mashing, or adding to stews. These hardy vegetables are low maintenance and can be grown even in poor soil, making them an excellent choice for any garden. They'll grow well through the winter months, and by the time spring rolls around, you'll have a fresh crop of turnips ready to enjoy. Don't let November pass you by without planting these. Your garden will thank you, and your meals will be that much better for it. Number 11. Radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables you can plant in November, and they thrive in cooler weather. If you're looking for a quick reward for your fall gardening efforts, radishes are your crop. Within just 30 days of planting, these crunchy, peppery roots will be ready for harvest. The cold weather actually enhances their flavor, making them even more crisp and vibrant. By planting radishes now, you're setting yourself up for a quick and easy harvest that will add a fresh bite to your winter meals. Radishes require minimal care and grow best in loose, well-draining soil. Whether you eat them raw, in salads, or roasted with other root vegetables, these little powerhouses will add a burst of flavor to your garden and your kitchen. Don't wait for the spring rush. Get radishes in the ground this November and enjoy a fast, flavorful harvest that will have you coming back for more. Number 12. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is an incredibly resilient leafy green that thrives when planted in November. This vegetable loves the cool, crisp temperatures of fall and will continue to grow steadily throughout the winter months. The beauty of Swiss chard is its versatility. It can be used in everything from soups and stews to salads and sautés. Even in the colder weather, Swiss chard will produce vibrant, nutrient-rich leaves that are packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a staple for any garden. What makes Swiss chard a must-plant in November is its ability to withstand light frosts and continue to grow well into the winter. By planting it now, you're setting yourself up for a continuous harvest of fresh greens throughout the colder months. Whether you're growing it for its delicious leaves or its colorful stalks, Swiss chard will reward you with an abundant supply of fresh, healthy vegetables when you need them most. Number 13. Mustard greens. Mustard greens are another cool season crop that thrives when planted in November. These leafy greens grow quickly, and the cold weather actually makes them more flavorful, developing a peppery kick that's perfect for adding to salads, stir-fries, and soups. Mustard greens are incredibly hardy and will continue to grow well into the winter, providing you with fresh greens during a time when many other crops are dormant. Planting mustard greens in the fall ensures you'll have a steady supply of these nutritious, vibrant greens all season long. They're easy to grow and require minimal maintenance, making them perfect for gardeners looking for a low-effort crop that delivers big results. Don't wait for spring plant mustard greens this November and enjoy their spicy, robust flavor throughout the colder months. Number 14. Peas. While peas are often thought of as a spring crop, planting them now in November can give you a head start for an early spring harvest. By planting peas in the fall, they'll overwinter and be ready to grow as soon as the weather warms up. The key to success with fall-planted peas is choosing hardy varieties that can withstand the winter chill. By the time spring rolls around, your peas will already be sprouting, giving you an early jump on the season and a fresh crop of peas ready to harvest before many others have even begun to plant. Peas are easy to grow, and they'll produce an abundance of sweet, crisp pods that are perfect for snacking, adding to salads, or using in your favorite recipes. The cold doesn't scare peas, it actually helps them develop a better flavor, making them a fantastic choice for November planting. Get your peas in the ground now, and you'll be enjoying an early harvest while others are still waiting to plant their first seeds. Number 15. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the most rewarding crops to plant in November, especially if you want to enjoy fresh, crisp greens during the winter months. This leafy vegetable loves the cooler weather, and by planting it now, you're giving it the time it needs to develop strong, tender leaves. Lettuce grows quickly, making it a great option for a fast harvest in early spring. When grown in cooler temperatures, lettuce will develop a sweeter, milder flavor that is perfect for salads, wraps, or garnishes. What makes lettuce such a must-plant vegetable in November is its ability to thrive in the cool, crisp air. With minimal care, your lettuce will continue to grow steadily through the fall and winter months, ensuring that you have fresh greens at your fingertips. By planting now, you'll have early spring harvests that set you apart from other gardeners who have yet to plant. Get lettuce in the ground this November and enjoy some of the freshest, most delicious greens come spring. Number 16. Fennel. Fennel is a unique and flavorful vegetable that benefits greatly from fall planting. The cooler weather helps fennel develop its distinct aniseed flavor, making it perfect for planting in November. This aromatic vegetable grows best in well-drained, fertile soil and requires minimal maintenance, making it a low-effort crop with high rewards. By planting fennel now, you'll ensure that it has plenty of time to mature over the winter, allowing you to harvest its bulbous base and feathery fronds come spring. The sweet, licorice-like flavor of fennel is perfect for a variety of dishes, from salads to roasted vegetables to soups. Fennel is not just a flavorful addition to your kitchen, but its attractive fronds also make it a great herb for garnishing. Planting fennel in November gives it the cool temperatures it needs to develop its best flavor. Don't miss the chance to grow this versatile and fragrant vegetable in your fall garden. Number 17. Parsnips. Now, this is the game changer. If there's one vegetable you absolutely must plant this November, it's parsnips. These root vegetables thrive in the cold, and planting them in November allows them to develop their signature sweetness during the winter months. Parsnips take time to grow, but the wait is well worth it. The cold temperatures help bring out the deep, earthy flavor that makes parsnips a standout addition to your garden. And when you harvest them in early spring, you'll be rewarded with a crop that's far superior to anything planted later in the season. Parsnips are incredibly versatile. Use them in soups, stews, or roasted with other root vegetables. Their naturally sweet flavor becomes even more pronounced after a frost, making them a winter treat like no other. If you've never grown parsnips before, now is the time to start. Get them in the ground this November, and you'll have a spring harvest that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Number 18. Leeks. Last but certainly not least, leeks are another fantastic vegetable to plant in November. These hardy alliums thrive in cooler weather, and by planting them now, you're giving them the time they need to develop strong, tender stalks. Leeks are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, adding a mild, sweet flavor to soups, stews, and roasts. The key to growing leeks successfully is patience, as they take several months to mature. However, by planting them in November, you'll ensure they're ready to harvest in early spring, giving you a fresh supply of this delicious vegetable when others are just getting started. Leeks are perfect for those who love gardening, but don't mind taking their time. They grow slowly, but with proper care, you'll be rewarded with large, flavorful stalks that will make your dishes shine. Get leeks in the ground this November, and you'll be able to harvest them when your garden is just starting to come to life. November is not the time to stop planting. It's the perfect window to prepare your garden for next year. As we've seen, this month offers an incredible opportunity to plant vegetables that thrive in cooler weather, setting you up for a fruitful, early harvest come spring. Don't let this prime planting season pass you by getting these 18 vegetables in the ground now. You'll be well ahead of the game, ensuring your garden will be thriving when others are just beginning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. What's your go-to vegetable for November planting? Drop a comment below and let's chat. I'd love to hear about your favorite crops to grow this time of year. Thanks for tuning in to Gardening Times. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.